So creating a one person, or in this case, a one woman empire, it's not an easy task. But some folks are trying to get that done just one layer at a time. Just ask Nadine Walters. She's a founder of NA Designs and more. Good morning to you.
Good morning.
Thank you for being here on Smart Jamaica this morning.
Thanks for
Holy
having
puff
me.
things on the table, and we're going to get to this.
Yes.
But you're trying to build an empire.
Yes, I am.
One piece at a time.
One piece at a time.
Tell me about your interest in this kind of design, this kind of art.
Okay, well, NA Designs has decided to go Afrocentric. So I have decided that the burlap is a nice way because it's Jamaican. And
But,
we use
how you
African
got
print.
into the... So this was something you were always involved in? Were you always
No.
sewing? Were you always
Well,
artistic?
I was always sewing.
Yes.
That's my passion.
Okay.
Sewing has always been my passion.
So did you
And
always have a vision that you would want to do it as a business?
Yes.
Oh, you did?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes. And I've realized that
That's fantastic.
about November last year.
Yes.
I started. So what I started out doing was making sheet sets. I started making sheet sets, and then that just went viral. I just started getting references, but you know that's seasonal. After Christmas,
Business
sheet set is
died
kind of
down.
obsolete.
But
So I
why
said,
though? People know you sheets all
Exactly,
year round. Why
right?
stop order from Nadine after Christmas? You always need sheets?
Exactly.
Wow, we're looking at some of your sheets on set. This is nice.
Yes.
I love this set.
Yes.
Very nice. So you custom made them?
Yes.
People would give you fabric, or you
No,
would choose
I
fabric?
get the fabric. You tell me what you have in mind, and I will get the fabric, and I'll get it done for you.
Right.
And I do a little designing to it. So when you put it on your bed, it doesn't just look like a regular sheet.
Is who
So
teach you to sew, Nadine?
I went to Hollywood School of Fashion for 1 year. It's now closed.
Okay.
So I started doing that, and then after that I decided, okay, let me go into the bags, but I don't want to make supermarket bags.
Right.
So
Because that's being done.
Right, so I
Okay.
decided to do something different. So I decided now to use the burlap and make totes, different bags, wine bags, you know, and we do embroidery. So you
Okay.
personalize the bags.
All right, so we're going to talk through some of the stuff here because
Okay.
some of them are really nice. You don't have to move. Let me do the moving and the
Alright.
moving of the bags.
Okay.
I see. Is it your kind of mantra that you're going to put positive messages on the bags?
Positive messages.
Yeah.
Positive
Only.
messages only.
Yeah. So
Only.
this one says, "Hope anchors the soul."
Right.
There's another one over there that says that
Hope
too.
anchors the
Can I
soul.
see this one as
Sure.
well? So these have, I see the breast cancer icon on
Right.
interwoven into these.
Yes.
Why? Why is that?
Okay, what I do with my bags, I go with the season. For Mother's Day, you will have bags that speaks to Mother's Day. For Father's Day, you will have bags that speaks to Father's Day. Like, for example, this pouch.
Can I see the pouch? You
Sure.
can lift the pouch.
You
Okay.
will have these that speaks to,
Ah.
you know.
Never could carry this one if you didn't say water, maybe moringa drinker. Right? Okay. This
Yours.
is
And then
nice.
breast cancer awareness is next month.
Right.
It's
Which is why
October.
you're doing these.
So I'm doing these now as a, you know, memorabilia for
I
breast
love
cancer.
these
for
guys. These are fantastic. If you are going to be, you know, participating in any of the activities around breast cancer, or you know a survivor, or you just want to support the cause, this is a great way to
good
do
way.
it. Yeah. Okay. Show me some of the other more traditional
Okay,
stuff you have.
and
now.
then you have these. These are for us that like to carry a lot of stuff.
She say, "Oh, so you know
Because-
because lady, yes,
Yes.
they
So-
can just drop in
Right. it has
anything and everything and go."
Everything. It can work as a weekend bag. You can take it to work.
This look like when you go to the airport, you have to check it on, don't it?
And it's good
Is that
for to
extra
the airport.
luggages?
You can
Yes.
pack a lot of stuff in there.
See, same thing I'm telling you. No, this is fantastic. Except I wouldn't be able to find anything in there. You make these
will.
with compartments at all?
No.
No, not
No,
at
this
all.
is just how it is made.
All right,
And then
okay.
we have these now.
Now
These-
this is interesting.
It's a laptop bag. It's a laptop bag. And
Is
I've
it padded?
decided- Yes, it's
Yes.
quilted
Okay.
with the African fabric and the
Back.
jeans. And it's
Right.
quilted, so you know it keeps the laptop
Yeah, yeah.
steady.
Very nice. And then the little bags here, which you say are
Right.
what?
These are
Wine?
just drawstring bags.
Okay.
Drawstring bags.
Okay. And the little tissue holders
The
here.
little tissue holders.
can
Because you know
pull
when
out.
you have your tissue in your purse, they keep falling out.
Correct.
They keep falling out and they get
Right.
messy. So you have the
You can just
Right,
put it
yes,
here and
exact-
put it
right.
there. Very cute. So how do we reach you, madam, if we want to patronize you and your products? Where do we
Okay,
find
I'm
you?
on Instagram at NA Designs. You can view. I'm on Facebook at NA Designs and more. You can all reach me by phone.
Okay.
It's 876-997-5723.
Okay. Guys, the sheets, they don't ever go out of style. Christmas is gone, but Christmas is coming again. So your sheet orders going to ramp up again, ladies.
Yes,
So get ready.
yes.
Get ready. Lovely
Yes.
stuff. Thank you for coming and
we
sharing.
do these, the one with the Jamaican.
Yes, we can
the
see
Jamaican.
those. Those are the more traditional ones. All
Yeah.
right, One Love. And I love Jamaica on this one. Just an example of what Nadine has to offer with any designs. Check her out on the platforms she just gave us and support if you can. Thank you for being here with us this morning.
Thanks for having me.
Founder of Any Designs and more, Nadine Waters. We're going to meet the young men behind Techno Media right after this.